So Google is back in the social network game, well, sort of, thanks to the Area 120 developed Keen, which is a Pinterest-like app that utilises AI to create interest boards. With that said, is it any good though? So what is Keen then? Well, in basic terms, it's an easy way to save bookmarks or links in a more presentable or visually pleasing format. That's a very polite way of saying it's basically a Pinterest ripoff. However, there are some extras that differentiate Keen from Pinterest from the very get-go. Oh, that and boards are called Keens. Well, it's not to be confused with the band or the numerous Irish footballers. Using Google's AI prowess and expertise with interfaces, Keen is particularly slick and smooth. The team behind the app wanted to create something that leveraged manual list and content creation with machine learning and search to help us find helpful content related to our interests. Considering just how long you can spend curating or searching boards and lists on competing services like Pinterest, you might find Keen that little bit more interesting because everything's done in the background. The team behind Keen also suggests that you'll get even better recommendations the more you save and organise your own boards. So what's Keen like to use then? Well, the main page of Keen reminds me of a magazine rather than an app per se. This is a good thing in many ways, as it feels more like a way of collecting your ideas rather than a list or a checklist. When you're looking for inspiration rather than a fully formed idea, I find that is far more helpful. Getting helpful hints on something you're interested in or wanting to learn more about is also really neat, as you can opt in to regular emails that will give you updates and information on your current Keens. So when creating your boards, you search via a search term rather than start tagging things. Just create a board and with something you want to learn more about, for instance, learn how to cook good Indian food. Add a few extra tags if you're interested in a certain branch or specialist area, and Keen will use the power of Google Search to auto-generate a board for you to peruse. Each Keen has an Explore, Saved and Searches tab, while the other controls are above. While you can also add more searches, hashtags and even users to collaborate with your boards. This means if you like a particular artist, cook, musician or anything else for that matter, you can populate your boards with their content too. We all know just how good Google's recommendations are 99% of the time, so well, that will help enhance your collections even further by giving you helpful suggestions and content ideas. Because you can share your collections with others, you can just follow other Keens that will alert you when new content is added. This might be great for building micro-communities in really niche interest areas. If you've used Pinterest for a long time, you might have far more of a handle on your list and content collections and find it harder to switch over. Although if you have flirted with Pinterest in the past and maybe want something that feels a little bit more streamlined, then it might be worth a try. The worst that could happen is that you get a little bit more organised. So where can you try Keen? Well, you can start using Keen right now on the web or download the official Android app from the Google Play Store. That said, let us know below if you've given Keen a test drive down below. But until next time, this is Damien with 9to5 Google saying thanks for watching, and I will speak to you later.